But we know that window collisions are one of the leading causes of bird mortality, right? So after habitat destruction and cat-caused mortality, windows are literally the next in line. And most of those animals die before they ever come into rehab. So it's actually a lower percentage of our total caseload, but that's because those animals are not surviving to come into rehab. So we want to prevent those before they happen. Some of the best ways to do that are with window treatments. So if you have windows that are commonly struck, and that will be things like picture windows, French doors that are all glass, that kind of stuff, we definitely recommend putting some kind of covering over them. So whether that's a shutter or something like that, if you want to have an open window, we totally understand that too. There's plenty of products that you can purchase to cover those windows. So things like Acopian bird savers are great. Those are like curtainy, kind of Zen curtain looking things. There's bird tape, ABC bird tape, feather friendly tape, kaleidoscape tape. These are basically just tapes or decal type things that you can put on your windows. But keep in mind that tapes or decals need to be no more than 2 inches apart to prevent collisions. So putting a random decal of a hawk on your window isn't going to do anything. They need to be no more than 2 inches apart. And that's because birds will look at those and say, I can fly between that area. And if they can fly between it, they're going to try to. So you really need to have enough coverage on that window to make sure they realize there's no place to see.